Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel. My name is OHLEEN and I am a female stylist and wardrobe manager. So if you are in the market for a coat, you have stumbled across the right video. Even if you are not, this is the video to watch for when you next are in the market for any kind of outerwear. I am giving you tips today on what to keep in mind or what to assess in your wardrobe before you purchase any outerwear. Outerwear being a coat, a jacket, a poncho, a throw, a hoodie, whatever you are feeling or whatever you're thinking about, what you've been thinking about lately to purchase. I'm going to walk you through some of the steps I took and some of the things I considered before I settled on this wonderful navy blue Luxe fur coat by Jigsaw. Hopefully those steps that I took will help you in your next purchase, thinking about the things to think, knowing the things to think about and the things to look at in your wardrobe to make sure that it's the right coat that you are going to be wearing and not a coat that just goes with that one odd two things. Yeah, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. Towards the end I will be showing you different ways that I style the coat. Right now we're just going to talk about the coat, my thought process before I settled on it, and my experience. Let's do it. This particular coat is navy blue. Reason I settled on navy blue is because I am trying to run away from black, the color black. It's so easy, and yes, black is gorgeous, and there's so many things that you just think it works. It will work because it's black, it will go with everything. But hopefully in this video you will see that even navy blue, how it can go with so many different things, patterns, bright solid colors, mixed colors, casual, smart casual. So I'm going to be showing you that later on in the video. The other thing as well that I really wanted was a long coat. So lately, it's trending, this long oversized coat style. I really love it, but I'm 5'2", so to get that look to look right, it's a bit of not a struggle, but personally I wanted to nail it. So when I saw it on the model, I wasn't sure, because on the model it's not a long coat, it's to just below her knees kind of look. That's not what I was going for, but I kept in mind that I'm 5'2", so on me it should look a bit longer, right? And that's what I was banking on. So I ordered it on John Lewis. It came next day delivery, well, in store, so I went and picked it up. That's a tip from me. I think if you dread shopping, right? I don't dread shopping, but I like to save my time and energy, and also I'm always looking for bargains. So I find the best way is to shop online. Shops like John Lewis or any store really these days, they do free next day in-store delivery. The way I see it is you are going in store for an item you've reserved. If you don't like it, you return it on the spot and you get a refund. If you like it, you've gone in store, you've tried it on, you've loved it, right? And also it's likely that you've purchased the item on sale online, so you've gotten yourself a bargain. For you to go in store and find that bargain, it's going to be a bit of work, or you might not find it in your size. It's too much of a gamble. So online is the place for me. I love shopping online. Let me know if you want me to do a video on that in terms of how to become a pro shopping online, because I think I'm a pro. I love shopping online. Anyway, back to the video, back to the essence of this video. So let's talk about what I took into consideration before I settled on this jacket. When I knew I was in the market for a coat, the things that I thought about were my current wardrobe, what's in my wardrobe. It's going to have to be, because it's going to be an everyday coat, it's going to have to be something that works with my everyday clothes, which is my workwear, right? Secondly, my accessories. What's the color pattern and what's the style of those accessories as well. And thirdly, my coats that I already have, my coats and jackets and outerwears. What color are they and where do I wear them, and how often do I wear them, right?
I was a flame burning out on circles with my heart.
favorite? I had so much fun making this video. My favorite look was the one with the high waist brown trousers from And Other Stories. I love those pants. They are just gorgeous. And I'm going to do another video with those pants to just show you what you can do with that style trousers. Long, high waist, which are just like the perfect features in my view. I love anything high waist and maxi, even though I'm so tall. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below, what was your favorite look? What would you like to see next time that will help you? What's on your mind right now? What are you shopping for? Thank you. I love you and see you soon.